Backup and disaster recovery for us is a significant part of our business. With over 40% of our customers have our backup and disaster recovery service. My name's Mark Jufkins. I'm the Operations Director for Riverbank IT Management. We're an IT services company based in Oxford, and we service clients in Oxford, Thames Valley, going into London. Riverbank IT Management provide IT services to small and medium-sized businesses. We provide our advice in plain English that's easy to understand. We first heard about StorageCraft back in 2009. We were looking for a solution that would overcome some of the difficulties we had with tape backup, and that led us to StorageCraft, where we were able to develop a backup and disaster recovery service that allowed customers to have all the benefits of tape backup, which is easy file recovery and relatively low cost, with some significant advantages around the disaster recovery element. So, that's the big win for us, is that we're able to offer a compelling disaster recovery solution at a very compelling cost to our customers.
StorageCraft, have always been quite strong in their field. Backup is their thing, and we know that if there's a server with StorageCraft on it, then it's very easy to recover. So we don't have to think about any issues or any problems that the client may experience as they would with other backup vendors. So an example of getting a customer out of a pickle would be a client we've got in the nuclear industry. They had an issue where there was a failed component which happened during a RAID upgrade, which caused their main hypervisor to go offline. This was terrible for the business. It meant that obviously they could potentially lose all of their data and a lot of money.
So we're able to turn up to the customer site with the latest backup images, and we were able to initially use virtual boot to get them up and running, whilst in the background we're using Head Start Restore to provide a more permanent recovery solution.
And it was everything, so emails, data. If we wouldn't have been able to recover, they would have gone down most likely.
So it saved their bacon, and then they invested more in the StorageCraft application in the end.
Yeah, the significant advantages of a backup and disaster recovery service as opposed to tape are based around the ability to, number one, do a backup, which every backup service probably does, but then to test it, and that's the proof of the pudding really, that we're able to very easily verify that backup image has worked. We're able to restore that server in its entirety to different hardware and prove to the customer that, hey look, you're paying for this service and here's what you're getting.
A lot of backup solutions that you have out there don't allow you to restore in a timely fashion for test purposes frequently or easily. It takes maybe half a day or a day to try and test backup, restore a tape or such, but StorageCraft can do it in 5 minutes.
We've been through real recovery scenarios where the heat is on, and we've had to sort of prove ourselves in a timely manner, and we have the confidence to do that because we know the system, we've had the training, we're able to actually recover those units in a very timely fashion. If I was to recommend StorageCraft to another service provider, and the first thing you have to say is that the software works, because everything else is peripheral to that really. The backup engine works. It provides a great set of tools around that engine that enable you to manage that backup and disaster recovery, and their licensing model just fits with the way we bill our customers. So I think those three things are the three compelling reasons why I'd recommend StorageCraft.